So today we're out with Gary Gerber. He's one of our Soil and Water Board members, and we're going to show you how to calibrate a manure spreader. To do this, all you need is one 56-inch by 56-inch tarp and a small portable scale. So here we see the manure spreader applying the manure to the field, and there in the foreground you can see our white plastic tarp as it begins to get covered with manure. In the next clip we'll explain what to do next. So when you're out here in the field like this is a good time to take a look at your spread pattern, how you're overlapping. On vertical spreaders like this, spread pattern is pretty well set. Things like the consistency of your manure, the weight, density, things like that all make a difference on how it's going to spread. So if you have a manure that's a little dense, has some more weight to it, you might want to look at overlapping to get a more consistent spread pattern. I'll just talk loud. Okay, so after you've spread your manure on the plastic, and ideally you would have 2 or 3 of these out in the field. So you'd have them spread out maybe in different areas just to see how, like I talked about previously, spread pattern. So you want to look at how wide it's spreading, maybe see how much you need to overlap, or in your overlaps, see if you're getting an inconsistent amount in your rate. So what we're going to do today is we've used some rocks. It's really windy. Ideally you wouldn't do this on a windy day, but we weighed down the corners of the tarp with rocks, and we've already weighed our bucket ahead of time. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get the total weight of the manure that's on the plastic, and then that'll go in and that'll show us how many tons per acre we're spreading. So we'll have this on our website, but this is a nice sheet produced by Glenn Arnold at OSU Extension, and all this is a 56-inch by 56-inch tarp. And the way the math works out with that, if, for instance, there's 5 pounds of manure on this tarp, that equates really easily to 5 tons per acre did weigh this ahead of time, so because of the scale that we have, you want to weigh your bucket and your plastic tarp previously before you spread on it, before you do this. So we came up with, it was just the plastic and the bucket itself weighed 1 pound. So it looks like we're getting about, on the scale here, we're getting about 12 pounds. So that the math equates really easily there to 12 tons per acre of manure that we're spreading today on this field.